Wow.
Got all the debris up on the side up over here.
It just missed the tidal wave that hit and went over the top of the bridge. That was incredible.
Well, we saw two of them in a row. Oh, here comes another one.
Oh, yeah,
here comes.
Here it comes.
Big old flash flood.
Oh, 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 man. Wow. Dude.
And this is after all the work that they did to redo this bridge.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
You can see the guardrails already broken off.
And all the tree debris that's gone over it's been going over the top.
Yeah, here comes another one.
Dude, it was going over the top of this. Oh, man. This is, it is not fun when this bridge is out and it's going to be out again. Man, they worked on it for how many months?
Like 3 months it was closed. It was going this way, I think, last time.
Yeah, they didn't do a good enough job because, whoa. Here comes another one. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I want to hear what it sounds like. It sounds like the ocean.
Yeah.
It sounds like the ocean.
Another one.
We were just having a discussion about Mother Nature, and she don't care what people do, because look at this. Wow, that is absolutely incredible. She is just flexing her muscles right now, saying, well,
You had your dry spell.
yeah, I hope you enjoyed your 80-degree weather in December, because we're washing that away.
There goes another big old freaking.
Man, this is, wow. What's causing that? It must be, ooh.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
There must be something upstream that is stopping it, and then it builds up and rolls over it.
Yeah.
That must be it. Man. All right, well, time to go eat some pizza.
Gotta go around.
Is that Facebook or?
I don't get too close to things.